everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made, and in this session I am going to discuss the best website for preparing for the PTE exam. Actually, this video is suggested by one of the learners, Amit Dwivedi, and I believe this is the question in your mind as well. I know many of you are confused where exactly do you need to practice for the PTE exam and how many tests do you need to do, how many questions do you need to practice. So in this video we are going to discuss from these two websites, AlfaPTE and APEUni, which one should we use for the PTE exam preparation. So now I am going to share the screen, and with the help of the screen I will tell you which is better amongst these two and how many days do you need to prepare for your exam in order to achieve your desired scores in the very first attempt. As you can see, we have apeuni.com for the practice and we also have AlfaPTE. Okay, so we are going to see which one is the best. Let's start with AlfaPTE. Here we have the first thing that's popping up on the screen is setting your score target. So we'll set the score target 79. So we have saved it. Now we'll see the practice test here. Okay, so we can practice read aloud. Let us see one or two. Let's go through read aloud part. Always use a headset with a microphone to get an accurate AI score. Okay, so here you will get the AI score. Okay, here we have air pollution. Okay, we'll simply click here. This is the first question. So it is going to begin in 35 seconds. We get 35 seconds. So we are going to go through this once. The government is proposing a new initiative to address the issue of air pollution in urban areas. The initiative aims to identify and mitigate the sources of pollution, reduce the impact of air pollution on public health, and improve air quality in cities. This program will require collaboration between different stakeholders, including government agencies, businesses, and citizens. Okay, so now the timer will start. The government is proposing a new initiative to address the issue of air pollution in urban areas. The initiative aims to identify and mitigate the sources of pollution, reduce the impact of air pollution on public health, and improve air quality in cities. This program will require collaboration between different stakeholders, including government agencies, businesses, and citizens. So that's it. We are going to speak like this only. We'll just speak it up, and that's what we are going to do. Okay. So we can submit it to check it now. For example, let us submit it here. We'll get to know where exactly we did mistakes. Now it is uploading. There are a few free tests available, and later on you will get some paid ones. So you can practice the free ones here. So it gave us 45 out of 90 and 59 out of 90 because here we do not have mic. So maybe something went wrong. Content fluency, okay. So it gave us this. Bad, missed. It is saying it was missed because here we took a pause. But it's okay. It's just the practice. It is something I'm just telling you here. But you have to use the mic in order to practice. Okay. Now, here they are going to focus on content fluency and pronunciations. Focus on these three. We can practice some more questions like such. We can go to the practice part. We can go through the repeat sentence part. And we can practice as. Now you can clearly see they have all these options available.
The study demonstrates a need for further research in this field.
The study demonstrates a need for further research in this field. So simply we have to do like this. We are going to listen to the sentence and later on speak it up. So we can practice this as well here. Then we have writing essay. Everything is AI scored. So we can practice a lot of questions here. Let us see how many questions do we have. We have at least 10 questions each we have. We can go through these 10 questions. We can practice these even more than these. Okay, so we can simply go through all of these Yes, we can click on anyone and we can do it as per our requirement, whatever we feel like. Reorder paragraph. So we can practice this easily as well here. So until now, everything is free. Everything's free. Now let us look at the mock test. Full mock test, sectional mock test. So we have a lot to practice here. We can easily practice a lot of things for free. So seriously, it is a good website for practicing, and you're going to get the scores on the basis of AI, and that is also fine. So practice it like such. Here you are going to get the option of buying for the mock test. Okay, only one mock test is free. Otherwise, you can practice the different question types one by one. But for the mock test part on AlfaPTE.com, we have one free mock test. All the other mock tests are paid. So we have to pay in order to attempt these mock tests. Or let us see what's the amount. So it is like 245 for one, 3,595, 5,895. So it is affordable. You can take the 5 one or the 3 one in order to practice it before your exam. Practice at least 4 mock tests, or at least 3 if you cannot do 4, and along with 1 month of preparation at home, and you are ready for the test. You can easily get your desired marks in the very first attempt. Okay. Now let's look at PTEAPEUni.com. Okay. Again, we have a lot of things here. So AI score. Let us start with read aloud. Let us see how they are going to do. Again, same method. While extracurricular activities can be enriching, it is important to balance them. Then we are going to speak it up. We'll submit and we'll get the AI scoring as well. That's what they have clearly mentioned. Let us look at the listening part. Now here we have the
Paper
listening
mills
part.
had the worst of it for years as newspapers reduced pagination, went wholly digital, or shut for good. The papers were able to hammer down the cost of newsprint from firms fighting for business as demand declined. Price-taking paper mills suffered in silence. Many hesitated to shut massive machines costing hundreds of millions of dollars. That hesitance has disappeared. Mills are taking out newsprint capacity and diversifying. Norske Skog, a Norwegian pulp and paper firm, said in June it would close its 66-year-old.
So here we have a lot of the tasks with the AI scoring. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, answer short question, all the tasks. But some of the tasks are not AI scored, because here we'll simply get the answers. Reading and writing, answer, answer, answer. We need answers for this. We do not need AI scoring for such tasks. So definitely both the websites are good. And if we are talking about APEUni and AlfaPTE, I believe we need a lot of practice material. And if we are getting that for free, we can practice firstly from PTE APEUni. It is the trusted one. And later on, we can go for the AlfaPTE one. We can practice from both the websites. But for the mock test thing, I would always advise you to go for the paid thing, because mock test you are not going to get for free. We are getting only one free mock test here as well, and only one free mock test on AlfaPTE too. So that's what we are going to do. We'll practice the free version, one free mock test, but later on we will be buying it. So that you can buy from AlfaPTE, that's kindly affordable. Okay. And if you want to go for the VIP member thing here, that's what we can go for upgrade VIP. Now we have the price here, 1299 VIP 30 days. So you can take this thing as well here. Up here it is quite affordable, because we can practice as many mock tests as we wish to in the 30 days plan. We can practice as many questions we can wish to in the 30 days plan. But there we had limited number of mock tests in AlfaPTE. This is the only drawback of AlfaPTE. Otherwise, when it comes to the practice part, when it comes to the AI scoring part, everything is good in both the websites. You can practice from both of these websites. But for the paid version, I would suggest you APEUni, because here you get the VIP ठीक है, पैकेज फॉर 30 days and that too in 1300 rupees only. There you have to pay for every mock test you attempt. So that's what. So I'm going to sign off here with a good note that you all can practice thoroughly at home, that too totally free of cost. And if you want our classes for the PTE module, I'm going to take the live classes on a daily basis in the evening from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. You can simply contact us on the number given below and you can join our sessions. So I hope this video was informative as other videos. If you have not gone through my other videos, you may simply go through my PTE full course, which will be visible on the end screen now, and practice for your PTE exam with the help of the course. I am also going to upload the PTE full course in Hindi language as well. So if you want the full course in Hindi, do let me know in the comment section. So that's all for this one. I am going to meet you in the next video very soon.